Hi everyone. Before you bring home a giant outdoor ping pong table, you need to know one thing. The hardest part might not be playing. It might be getting the box into place and deciding where this thing is going to live. Today I'm sharing my experience with the JOOLA outdoor table tennis table. And I want to walk through what it's actually like, from delivery, to setup, to moving it around, to playing on it outside. Right away, this is a big product. When it arrives, it feels like a serious piece of equipment, not something you casually slide through the front door by yourself. The box is large, and I definitely recommend thinking ahead about where you want it placed before it shows up. In my case, having two delivery people made a huge difference, because this is not the kind of box I would want to drag around alone. The first thing I noticed was the packaging. For something this large, I was honestly a little nervous about dents, scratches, or bent corners. But the table came packed very securely. The box was taped up well, the corners were reinforced, and the table edges had protection around them. Inside, the halves were covered and supported, so it didn't feel like the table was just floating around loose in a cardboard shell. With a large outdoor table like this, packaging really matters, because even a small hit in the wrong place could affect the playing surface. Once I got everything opened, I could tell this table was meant to look like a proper table tennis setup, not just a casual backyard toy. The surface looks clean and smooth, the lines are well marked, and the overall design has a nice polished look. It's the kind of table that immediately makes your patio, garage, or backyard area feel more fun. Assembly was easier than I expected, but I would not call it instant. A lot of the time goes into unpacking everything carefully, laying out the parts, and making sure you don't scratch the playing surface. I used cardboard and a blanket on the floor, then placed each half playing side down while attaching the wheel legs. That made the process feel a lot safer. You really should have two people for the setup, especially when flipping each half upright. The actual assembly is pretty simple, if you follow the instructions. The main job is attaching the wheel assemblies with the supplied hardware, tightening everything down, and then pressing the wheels into place. I found it easiest to finger tighten the bolts first, line everything up, and then use 2 wrenches to fully tighten them. One small tip: if you're putting the wheel and brake pieces together, it's easier to line up the pin before the wheels are fully mounted. That little step can save some frustration. Once both halves are assembled, you place them together and attach the net. The net clips underneath and also helps bring the two table halves together. This is important to understand. The table is made in 2 separate halves. At first I wasn't sure how I would feel about that, because part of me wanted it to move as one complete table all the time. But after using it, I actually think the 2-piece design has some advantages. Each side is easier to maneuver, and one person can move a half around without too much trouble. The big wheels are one of my favorite parts of the design. They make it much easier to roll the table over concrete and move it in and out of position. They're not rubber wheels, they are plastic, which was a little disappointing at first, because I expected something heavier duty. But so far they've rolled smoothly and done their job well. The table feels stable when it's set up, and it doesn't feel flimsy when you're moving it carefully. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Now, playing on the table is where it really starts to make sense. The surface is smooth, even, and fast enough to make games feel exciting. The bounce feels consistent, and it's just a lot of fun to play on. My favorite part is that it feels like a real table tennis table, not like the old particle board table you might remember from a basement or garage years ago. For outdoor use, this is a big upgrade if you've ever had a regular indoor table warp or break down from moisture and changing weather. I've been using it outside under some shelter, and it has handled that environment well so far. I still wouldn't treat it carelessly though. This is something I would protect, especially if you're spending good money on it. I strongly recommend getting the cover for it. The cover may feel like an extra expense, but if the table is going to live outdoors, it just makes sense to protect the surface and frame when it's not being used. Folding and storing the table is pretty simple. Each side folds up, and it rolls away easily. One person can manage the pieces alone if you're moving them separately. If the table is fully open, and you want to shift the whole thing at once, it's better with 2 people. Also, I would remove the net before moving the 2 halves around, just to avoid putting stress on the clamp or the center connection. There are a few things I think buyers should keep in mind. First, inspect the box before opening it. If there is a noticeable dent in the packaging, take a close look at the table surface before you finish assembly. A table tennis surface needs to be flat, so it's worth checking carefully. Second, don't rush the setup. Yes, it's simple, but unpacking a table this large takes time. If you go slowly, protect the surface, and have another person helping, the process is much smoother. The center area, where the two halves meet, is something I handle with care. The table is strong and stable during normal use, but I wouldn't treat the middle seam like a workbench or lean heavy objects on it. This is a game table, and it's best used and moved the way it's designed. Overall, I've really enjoyed the JOOLA outdoor table tennis table. It looks great, it plays well, it moves more easily than I expected, and it feels like a quality upgrade for anyone who wants table tennis outdoors. It is large, it does require careful delivery and setup, and I do wish the wheels felt a little more premium. But once it's assembled and you're actually playing, those little issues fade into the background pretty quickly. If you want a backyard or patio table that feels smooth, stable, and fun for regular games with family and friends, this one is definitely worth considering. Just plan ahead, protect it with a cover, and give yourself enough time to set it up properly. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.